Well, good Wednesday morning. So far for the month of November hasn't been too generous when it comes to rainfall, but for the year of 2021, look at this. Over 45 inches of rain for Corpus Christi. That brings us to almost 18 inches above the normal. So we're doing great, but we could use some rain just because November has been small when it comes to rainfall. And right now we have mostly cloudy skies. There is a chance at rain tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, but it's very low, and it's all because of our next cold front. In the meantime, we do have south to east winds coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, which are mostly calm right now. And with these wind speeds moving at about 5 miles an hour in most locations, we're not expecting any fog this morning. So if you're driving out, it looks okay. Now by this afternoon, winds will move between 15 and 25 miles an hour. And then after that, we should trend down for the wind speeds for tomorrow and even into Friday. So your planet for today, mostly cloudy at first, not overcast. We'll see some sun by 9 and 10 a.m. but even better through the afternoon as temperatures slowly recover into the 80s. You'll see the morning and the afternoon, not a huge spread in our temperatures. A couple of days ago we started off in the 50s and then we rebounded into the 70s, but only about a 10 to 15 degree swing between morning and afternoon. But still warm. Mostly clouds out right now, and none of this is producing any rainfall. But notice out from Mexico all the way into South Texas into Louisiana is a good amount of mid to high level cloud cover, and this is all moving towards the east, towards the Gulf of Mexico, which will eventually clear out our skies later on this afternoon and tonight. So we have a beautiful day on tap with a lot of sunshine. Now, a different story out north. You can see near Rapid City, Denver, Colorado, and near Wyoming, there is a good amount of cloud cover, but also some rain and snow. Not expecting any of that here, but as this system races southeastward and towards Missouri and towards the Ohio River Valley, attached to it will be a couple different boundaries, and with our next cold front, and you'll see by tomorrow afternoon, 3:30, this may produce a small chance of rain, maybe a stray to isolated thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but mostly all of us will be dry. Now, I do want to walk you through the forecast tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. around sunrise, 60s on the map, not going to be cold. Tomorrow afternoon, 80s, and as that cold front slides through, this will spark off a few showers in the area. You'll see Corpus Christi, Beeville, George West may not see anything, but in some of these isolated pockets will be some of these thunder showers that form and develop with the heating of the day and as that front slides through. Not a lot of rain though, 100th to maybe a 10th of an inch of rainfall when it's all said and done. Bigger story, cold front on the weaker side, but it will bring back sweater weather for the mornings, and the afternoons will be warmer back in the 70s and 80s. So overall, a nice cold front is going to move through, and you can see that on the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, Veterans Day, high of about 83, Friday 81, and then watch these temperatures fall down a cliff into the 70s, and then the mornings back in the 50s Saturday and Sunday. So both days this weekend looking pretty good, guys.
And we'll take them too.
That's right, we'll take it. Thank you, Ron.